officials, it's your girl officially Michelle here, and welcome back to another video. And I am back with another hair tutorial. I have been rocking this hair for about like a week now, and I was like, you know what, why not recreate it and do a look for my subbies, because I love it so much and it's so easy and it looks so nice and sleek and it just looks good overall. But yeah, let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go and click that subscribe button. And yeah, this is so easy, guys. Like, anybody can do this, especially if you know you are just going out with friends and you want something different. But it's really cute. All right, yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I am going in with my products. I'm basically showing you guys the products that I'm using on my screen to achieve this look. And this braid, it wasn't a double braid, it was actually like just one. I don't know, you guys will see later down in my video. Basically my hair was already molded because I've been doing middle parts for like the whole week, and my hair is really dirty and it needs to relax, but I'm also trying to stretch out my relaxer. And I'm going in with the Eco Styler gel. This gel is so much better than the one in the green bottle. I think is the olive oil one, the Argan Oil. It really doesn't give me flakes. It really doesn't, like, it just works for my hair. So this is my new go-to gel. Like, I have retired that olive oil one. And of course, you guys know I'm gonna brush my life away. I was trying not to burst the scrunchie here. Now I'm gonna actually try and get my edges done. I don't know if you guys realize, but like on the left hand side of like my hair, I have like short pieces, like really short pieces. So I'm gonna try to fix my edges. I thought I did my nape, but at the end of the video you guys are gonna see that I did not comb, or I don't think I put enough product behind my nape, which is not like me, but sometimes there's a hit and a miss. And I'm just gonna take my trusty toothbrush and try to kind of get my edges looking really nice. I wanted to kind of do something a little bit different. I know normally I don't really do anything much with my edges, but I felt like for this look I needed to kind of, you know, pull out some baby hairs or some fake baby hairs. And I am gonna go in with the red one wax, and the reason I go in with that wax is because it really holds my hair down. It allows it not to be frayed out, like my edges. It will keep, when I tell y'all this wax is everything, like this wax is everything. Like, it really sleeks the hair down. Like, no water, nothing will affect it. Now I'm just going in with that one pack of braid, and I'm kind of just teasing it because obviously it's blunt at the end, and you want it to be, you want the braid to plait all the way down and not have to put like a rubber band or anything. And I'm also combing it out. The reason I did that is because I kind of wanted a smooth transition to me plaiting it, because I am not the best plaiter. So and I am just going to use my scrunchie and basically tie a knot around the braid. I am extra, so obviously I burst the scrunchie. Now I'm going in with some Eco Styler gel, and I basically put the gel on my edges, on my ponytail, well, my real hair, because I wanted to make sure that it would have blended well with the braid. And now I'm just basically starting the ponytail process. While I'm doing this video, I realized that I still had the rubber band in, which was crazy, but and I'm just fixing it, the ponytail. I left a piece out just so that it could cover any extra, and so it looked more realistic. And I'm just parting the braid along with my hair in 3, because again, I'm not the best braider, so I needed to make sure that, you know, my hair I can manage. And basically I'm just starting the whole braiding process. And as you can see, I didn't add braid, so I didn't do anything like a feed in, because I wanted it to look really natural. As you guys can see, I don't have the thickest of hair, so I kind of just wanted it to look like it was like my real hair, like my real braid then, which I achieved that look at the end. If you want it to be thicker, you can add more braid, but I decided not to. And I'm just gonna take some gel and put it on the braid so that, you know, it really holds it, it doesn't fray out. And I'm just gonna wrap that piece around the ponytail. And basically that's it, guys. It's so easy, and I love this hairstyle. Like, love it, love it. Alright, so that's it for the video, and this is how my ponytail came out. I love it so much, and it's actually really long. Like, it goes like just above my waist. It's so cute, it's so sleek. Like, I just love this look on me. It's everything. This is probably gonna be another staple look for me, especially since it's so easy. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys liked this video. Let me know if you like this look on me, because I like it on me, to my own horn. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be a part of my notification gang. And I will see you guys in my next video.